Hello and welcome to the CATIA V5 DMU Space Analysis course from EDST e-learning. CATIA is the world's leading solution for product design and experience and is used in different industries like aerospace, automobile, defense, etc. CATIA V5 DMU Space Analysis course will be beneficial for users who have some exposure to CATIA V5. By the end of the course, you will have a better understanding of space analysis by learning the advanced tools in CATIA V5 DMU Space Analysis and will be eligible for the design and analysis opportunities available in the industry. I hope you have completed the CATIA V5 Part Design 1, CATIA V5 Part Design 2, and CATIA V5 Assembly Design courses. The recommended version for practicing the exercises is CATIA V5 R21 and higher versions. Each chapter covers step-by-step process of space analysis throughout the course. I recommend you to learn each chapter sequentially as each chapter will add a new skill and familiarizes you with the space analysis interface. In this course, you will learn the applications of space analysis. You will learn to perform the clash interference between two selections, clash interference between all components, and export the interference data. The course will cover how to define, position, and resize the section view. The usage of measure between components, measure item, measure thickness, measure inertia, and check for interference will be discussed. You will learn to generate report of clash interference and create annotations to the section view. The course will cover how to analyze the material property. In addition, we will discuss 2D text annotations. Associated with each chapter, there will be exercises, and in this course, there are 2 exercises for you to practice which are available in the downloadable exercises. As part of the course, you will analyze 2 components of engine assembly, and there are 4 advanced command exercises for your understanding and to practice. You can download these exercises and practice repeatedly so that you will be able to get some hands-on experience in CATIA V5 DMU Space Analysis and reinforce what you have learned in this course. CATIA V5 DMU Space Analysis course will help you to have a deeper understanding of space analysis workbench. You will be able to perform interference checks, create section view, and analyze material property. EDST e-learning is an online learning platform developed by EDS Technologies, leveraging 25 years of experience as the leading engineering and PLM solutions company. Once you complete the course, you can avail the course completion certificate. Enroll for the course and enjoy the learning experience.